Hello, everybody. Welcome back to SANDYPOP. My name is Sandy. Today's reaction is 100% sponsored by Patreon. Thank you so much to my patrons, Andrea, Pablo, Mark, Harley, Raven, Robert, Ramses. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting what I do, and it means a lot to me because I can continue to do this, which is amazing. So thank you so much. Hey guys, so I am now on Amino. If you don't have the app, go to the App Store, download it. On the main page at the top, there'll be a search bar. Type SANDYPOP. If I don't pop up right away, click users. I will definitely be there. Click my icon. There will be a follow button. Click that. Also, there'll be a little bell icon. Click that as well. You'll be notified every time I post a new story. I'd appreciate the follow there. Thanks so much. So today's request is from a solo artist, I'm pretty sure. Her name is Ruann. If I'm mispronouncing that, please forgive me. Song's called Beep Beep. This was released a couple of weeks ago. I'm a little bit behind, but I've heard nothing but good things about this, so I'm excited to get into it. Let's go. We got a cool beat already. This is Sandy style already. Love the alto voice, and you can tell that this girl has pipes like a mofo. Ooh, I like the harmonizing between the two. Alright, choreography's cool. And the instrumental is already amazing in this chorus. Let me hire this volume up. Part 2 of this chorus. You see what she's doing? She's doing what I love. She's sideswiping us, so blindside. I was not. Yo, this girl can dance. Woo! Yo, this is such a good song. I love this. She's so cute! Ruann. What a queen. She has so much swag. She can do cute, she can do hard, she can do confident. Triple threat right there. Okay, we got our bridge now. And it's not slow! Then we got like an instrumental dance break. So good! This song gives you so much! Oh, and the vocals, the riffs. And we slow it down a little bit for the last chorus. And I'm telling you, it gives you everything. A little bit of everything. That's me. I'm the bear. Ruann, let's go! Ooh, it's not over. What did she say? What did that mean? Incredible, incredible. For being so young, she is incredibly talented. That song was so good. It gave you a lot of different stuff. I don't really know what that stuff was, but I know she gave us a lot of it. I'm so pleased. Ramses, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would have never been introduced to that had you not requested it, so thank you so much. Definitely gonna put that on my Spotify. Definitely gonna listen to that again. Following you. Let me know in the comments. Have you heard of Ruann? Do you like this song? Maybe a little bit about her, where she's from, age, all that stuff. Because she has a new fan right now, me. So next time, guys, I'll see you later. You've been hanging out with SANDYPOP. Bye.